And today we are making fabric weights. And here you can see I already have them kind of like set up the way I want them to look. And right now I'm kind of like mixing my epoxy. Right now I'm mixing it up here. As you can see right here, I have it in a cup here, and I'm mixing it up. And I want to start off with some red glitter. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, some red glitter that I want to share with you guys, that you can see that. And I want to start off with this one first. And what I'm going to do is take everything out that I have in there. And I'm going to put the red glitter. Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all what I'm doing here. Let me make sure this is in view. So I pretty much think I'm in view, and I'm not really worried about bubbles right now. I probably could have just poured it in the cup and mixed it that way as well. And I think that's what I'm going to do. Let me see here.